Good morning, students. I hope all of you are preparing for your exams. And by now, I think all of you have got the informations that your annual exam for this session will be conducted offline. So I hope all of you are preparing well. And most of you have contacted me that you all are very worried. Now, why is this worry? Huh? You all have already attended the live classes. Most of the times there were offline classes also when situation was good. Yes or no? So if you had studied from the time when we were repeatedly asking you that you have to study regularly, then by now I think most of you would be revising instead of worrying. Yes, সেইকাৰণে সদায় সময়মতে পঢ়া শুনাখিনি কৰিব লাগে, হয়নে নহয়? যেতিয়া তোমালোকে টাইম পোৱা, যদি তোমালোকে পেণ্ডিং কৰি ৰাখা পঢ়া শুনা, তেতিয়াতো তোমালোকৰ দিগদাৰ হ'বই. য়েছ, চ' why I have made this video is that because I have sensed that most of you are very disturbed because of the exams and because of the decision that exams will be conducted offline. I want to remind you that exams are not scary things like tigers or fierce beast. It is eye opener for you all to make you realize where you stand. তোমালোকৰ পজিশ্যনটো একজেক্টলি কিমান হৈ আছে, তোমালোক where you can put yourself in order of ranking according to your performance, according to your hard work. That is the main purpose of exam. Okay, so the thing is that for the students who are in class 6, for the students who are in class 8, and because I take science, so I would like to specify on those subjects, and especially the students of class 9 who are going to sit for their boards. Let me tell you that do not just study the things that are in the exercises. Only whatever it is given at the end of the chapter, only those things are not necessary. The very key of securing good marks is to make your concepts clear. So if you had paid attention in my class, I am sure most of you have got your concepts cleared. First thing. Second thing is that you need to be very thorough with your lesson. Science is a subject where every word counts. Okay, so you need to be very thorough with your lessons, and since the exam is the annual exam that will be conducted is of 100 marks, so different varieties of questions may come, right? So there can be fill up the blanks, there can be true or false, match the following, jumble words, answer in one word, diagrams because it is science, then answer long question and answers, and many more things. So you prepare accordingly. Okay, and whenever you read a chapter, then make sure that you always underline or highlight the important points while you are reading. Okay, that makes things easier. And if you have attended my class, I have done quite a number of revisions where I have discussed short questions, answer in one words, and many other things. So I hope you all can deal with that. So class 8, especially now I'm going to talk for the students of class 8 science. They have you all have given me certain doubts of certain questions, so I want to clarify those doubts. The questions are from the chemical effects of current. So there were some questions. It is something like this: what happens when common salt dissolves in water? So all of us know, I have already taught you ionization, so you can write the answer in this way. Common salt, the formula for common salts, chemical formula for common salt is NaCl. When common salt dissolves in water, it dissociates or breaks down into Na positive and Cl negative. Na positive means Na ऊपर you have to write plus, and Cl negative ऊपर you have to write minus, ions. This breaking down of ions is called ionization. One more question you ask me: why is sulfuric acid called an electrolyte? So sulfuric acid is called an electrolyte because it completely ionizes to break down into cations and anions. Therefore, it is a strong electrolyte. Next, why is glucose a non-electrolyte? Glucose is a non-electrolyte because on dissolving with water, glucose never forms ions. Therefore, it is a non-electrolyte. And what is electroplating? The process of layering one metal over the other metal in order to protect it from rusting or any other chemical reaction is known as electroplating. Electroplating is an effect of electrolysis. Okay, so these were certain doubts that you all have asked me. Also, there are few other questions. I'll clarify it. Okay, you have asked me one more question regarding the electrolysis of sodium chloride. So you have to draw a diagram. Okay, you have to draw a diagram which will show you how the electrolysis of sodium chloride is done. So for that question, just you make sure that you check the answer that I will be writing and giving you over my status in the WhatsApp. Make sure that you check it down today and tomorrow. I will keep it in my status. Two questions, because those questions need to be written down. Okay, though from in there they are inside the book, so I'll write it down and I'll give it to you. Make sure that you follow it and you check it down. Okay, so no need to worry. Keep your mind calm, all of you. Mogostu thanda ke rakhiba. Be patient and study very carefully and minutely. Okay, if you make sure that you study every day, not just science, all the subject, hodai protekto subject olop ke poriba, and make sure that you are very careful in answering. Read your question paper multiple times so that you answer appropriately. And whenever you sit for your exam, make sure to write your name, class, section, roll number, everything very clearly with proper margins, neat and clean handwriting. That is a very mandatory thing. Okay, so don't be afraid and study properly. I am sure all of you will do well. All the best and don't worry. Okay, bye bye.